and how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom WhatsApp link so that people can contact you directly on your phone. If you want to create a link for a WhatsApp group, I have another video that I will leave in the description and in the first pinned comment. You will also see a card here that says how to create a WhatsApp link, but for a group. Well, in this case, it's for your personal phone, so it's for people to contact you. So, what are we going to do? You will go to the description and click on the first pinned link that I will leave, and it will take you to this page. Here, as you can see, the custom link appears for you to personalize it. Additionally, I am providing a table with the codes for all the phone numbers in the world, the codes for each country. So, in this case, let's say if we wanted to do it for Argentina, Argentina is 54. If we wanted it for Mexico, Mexico is 52. If we wanted it for Chile, Chile is 56. But in this case, we are going to do it with another example, which in my case will be Colombia. And for Colombia, the code will be 57. So you may wonder what this code is for. Here we have the link to customize. It looks complicated, but it's quite easy. I'll explain. The only thing we're going to do is start from scratch. What we are going to do is write wa.me. This here is the domain of WhatsApp, that is, the WhatsApp link. With this, we still haven't done anything. But if we add a slash is one of those vertical lines, so here we would have the following. After this, we need to put the code I mentioned, so let's look for our country in this list that I'm providing. It has absolutely all the countries in the world, and we will put the code. As I mentioned, in my case for Colombia, the code is 57, so we put 57. As you can see, guap.me//57, and we will put our phone number. In my case, I will put any number. In this case, I will put this one. I don't know if it really exists, but well, I will put that number. And next, what we are going to do is copy it, and we will directly paste it. Let's say we are going to send it to someone. We click to send it to WhatsApp, and it takes us directly to open WhatsApp. WhatsApp opens for us, and it should automatically load the conversation with the person, as you can see here. It takes us directly to chat with this person. I don't know who they are, but well, a greeting if they are watching this video. And next, after this, let's say that it only sends us to contact them so we can write to them. But if we wanted to add a message, what we do is the following. Let's go back to our link, and here at the end, after the phone number, we add a question mark. We put text meaning as text, but without the last O. And the same, just like that. And here, we are going to start putting what we. So let's say I'm going to put, how are you? In the WhatsApp link. But the issue is that in the link we are going to send directly, we can't have spaces. As you know, there is a space between how and are you. So instead of putting a space, what we are going to do is use a percentage sign and put 20, and then we add the other word, which is are you. We can also add a question mark if we want to. Basically, with this single link, we will copy it again just as it is and put it here again. The difference is that now it will send me with how are you? It will automatically load. How are you? Here, and I just have to hit send. We can add any message we want, like, I need help with this, or I want to know more information about this. And with that link, just by copying it, we will have it forever. It always works the same way with the same link. We don't have to change it for other people or anything like that. It works the same way for everyone. And we can send it to friends, people, or contacts who might want to buy something. Always the important thing is to save the link and keep sending it. And in case you move to another country or have a different phone number, you simply change this number at the beginning. If you move to another country, just change this part here, the area code, and then the phone number. And if you change your phone number, or need to do it for more numbers, but the same information, just they leave the code and remove the phone number, replacing it with another person's phone number. And basically, that would cover all the codes. I hope this video has been helpful. See you. Bye bye.